Hi guys, it's your girl Melanie. I'm back again with another video. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be trying out the new palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, Soft Glam. This is it. It was just released on Valentine's Day, February 14th, and I ordered it and I just got it today. So that's the box that it came in. So let's take it out. And this is the palette. It's a soft little velvet, so it feels really nice, although I think it'll be very easy to get dirty, but that's all right. And let's open it up. And oh, I dropped the brush. But those are the colors. I can put it closer. So it's I think the name suits it, Soft Glam. It's some pretty neutral shades with some pops of metallic and shimmer. I think there are, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 matte shades, 3 shimmer shades, and 2 metallic shades. So I'm going to try out a look with this. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, so we'll see. And I hope you like it. So let's go. Okay, I want to see if I can zoom in for you guys so you can get a better look at my technique of putting on the shadows. Okay, we're real up close and personal now. So let's see. I think I'm going to start off with this burnt orange color. Oh, no. Right here. Yes. We'll start with this burnt orange color. Since I have super hooded eyes, I'm putting this color above what my natural crease would be. But if you have a normally defined lid and crease area, you can just put this color in your crease and just a little above. Next, I'm putting sienna on top of that. And then the next color I'm using is mulberry, and I'm putting that on top of those 2 shades just lower and in the crease. I forgot to tap off the excess shadow when I did the other eye, so I had to build up the first eye. I'm using Cypress Umber to darken the outer V. I'm also winging it out a little. That color is rose pink, and I'm tapping it into my lid. Again, for the hooded eyes, I'm taking it a little bit above my crease so you can see it when my eyes are open. Taking the brush I use for my outer V just to blend the colors together. I didn't feel I went high enough with the first 3 shades, so I'm blending them in the same order just to go a little bit higher. Nope, not putting that color on the brow bone. I'm putting that color on the tear duct and inner lid. That color is Fairy. I'm putting glistening on the brow bone. I ditched the eyelashes. I'm just putting on mascara. For the lower lash line, I'm smudging in Cypress Umber, the color I used for the outer V, and Mulberry that went in the crease. And Fairy again for the inner part of the lower lash line. More mascara for the bottom lashes. To finish off the look, I'm popping on a little blush and highlighter. And of course, I'm going in with my new favorite lipstick, the Velvet Matte from Jasmine's Lip Kit. I wanted to do an ombre lip, but I couldn't find my light pink lipstick. This lip gloss wasn't dark enough. It just put on a little shine. Okay guys, that's the finished look. Let me know what you think in the comments. And I have to say that I really do love this palette. All of the shades that I used, again, I'll show it to you again. All the shades that I used were very pigmented. They blended beautifully, and this will definitely be a go-to palette for me. So I'm very glad that I bought this because actually this is my very first Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So I was super excited to get it. Sad that it took so long because it took 6 days to get to me, but it's here now and I'm so glad I bought it. And I look forward to showing you guys some new looks with it. And as usual, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe now. And as usual, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe now. Ring the bell so that you get notifications to know when I upload new videos. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. All right, until next time. Bye.